still fucking people doing that. And I'm actually grateful to people, whether it's a church related or not. You know, I want it not
Nobody gets it.
And I think that we as secular people set up entire structures. Usually, I think there's a kind of because it's a structure that is
The lanes shift.
we all contribute to it. So, you know, in countries where we have
Straight. 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 Ah, they figured it out.
Years where the Republicans were in charge combined. In other words,
Straight.
one half of the year in 2021,
Nobody gets
the
it.
Democrats got in charge.
Nobody
We've
gets
had
it.
more members
Nobody
than
gets
all
it.
of 2019 and 2020. So any talk that we are
Nobody gets it.
Coming up today, Nancy Pelosi said she's not making progressives vote for the bipartisan infrastructure bill in the House before Joe Manchin and Kristen Sinema vote for the progressive reconciliation bill in the Senate. That's next.
Nope. Definitely not. Hey, they figured it out. Good job.
It was a bell pepper with like tomato sauce and other stuff, so it had a bell pepper flavor to it.
Why?
Okay, but it wasn't. It had no meat in it. But that
Why?
was what she would make.
Okay, and that's actually, I didn't know that. I thought
There's two lanes.
The only thing you could eat was beef.
When we were kids, I remember eating that stuff, but it wasn't. It was all kinds of terrestrial mammals, so any kind of mammal and even bird. So bird eating.
Okay, I didn't know that.
Yeah, so,
I didn't know that.
Yeah, at least that's
No one
that's
gets
the classic
it.
Catholic I was.
You're not that invested in the history.
Did you not see the lane shift?
I don't think I care. Is because
You not see the lane shift? You almost hit me.
Anyway.
Right.
And so if I knew the origins of your silly tradition, I don't think it would make it any.
Not how that works. Oh my God. All three of those cars were in the left turn lane and went straight. That's not how it works either. Alright, can we do it? You don't need to change lanes. Straight, straight, straight. We're very stupid. Every one of you is very stupid. Two lanes. Oh my God. Two lanes. It's so fucking difficult. You gonna do it? No. Following lines. It's so hard. Need a degree to understand that shit.
Elections officials were some of the biggest heroes of the 2020 election. After a grueling year that saw a pandemic, unprecedented disinformation efforts,
Now everybody thinks that this lane is the straight lane.
Stood up to pressure from
Oh my
political
God.
actors seeking to overturn or cast doubt on the election results in key states. This collective bipartisan effort helped avoid a constitutional crisis.
Likes and the right hates. It's got to be a wedge issue. It's got to be something that has that structural element that isn't protected by guns. I don't know what to see them. I mean, like, and that's why they immediately went to guns. I know. Because that's the only other wedge issue. There's two major wedge issues.
For God hypothesis that have been presented to me, I'm a Gnostic atheist. But I have to be agnostic towards some conception that you can just make up from it. You can't know. I don't have a logical contradiction.
Sure, straddle both.
So that's not the case. You merely have to.
That's how you do it.
That God is. You tell me.
Oh my, go. Go. It's not rocket science. It's two complete lanes that just happen to shift. It's not that hard.
He said the thing about the gold ring. He should not roll down his window for that house. You actually have to know.
He's pretty good at risk control too, I think. Yeah.
Totally fighting.
Two lanes.
Like this.
Nice.
He's like,
Can they figure it out? Nope, straight, straight. Correct, correct. Lanes. Don't throw your hands up at me like that.
In Moscow, pretty much everyone I knew, certainly the people who made up my community, up and left in less than 2 weeks. And it's not just the number of people, but just how fast people have gone. And these are largely people who made up civil society. The independents, the educators, the activists, the
God. People still don't get it. That was the left turn lane.
Precisely the people.
Yep. See, it's not just me it happens to. Oh my God. That's the left turn lane. Once again, you close off a lane and people still fuck it up.